The Israeli government is going to demolish a children's soccer field unless we work together to save it. Kids are absolutely devastated. This soccer field means so much to them. It's one of the only places where they can just be kids. It is so cruel to demolish this field. The kids are extraordinary and they've made this petition. The petition has so far 196,000 signatures to save this field. So please, I'll put the link in my bio. Sign this petition. The kids are trying to get in touch with FIFA and Uefa. If you are FIFA or Uefa or a famous soccer player, you need to help these kids.